Meet Chris. He's the best truck mechanic out there. But every once in a while, even he gets stumped. Today, he's got a truck down, and he can't seem to figure it out. Meet Mike. He's the best tech in his shop, too, and he's run into exactly the same tricky issue. It happens to everyone. Mike remembers he can contact Autocar for help anytime, so he goes online and logs a ticket with Autocar Solutions. He enters the VIN, his phone number, email address, and hits Create Ticket. Time for a quick cup of coffee. Meanwhile, Chris is still scratching his head. He's put a lot of time into this one already. The clock's ticking, and there are other trucks backing up. Before Mike can finish his coffee, he gets a call from an Autocar Solutions technician, ready to help out. They usually call back in just a few minutes. The Autocar Solutions techs are based right at the factory, and they've seen everything. They can even use Autocar's Easy Phone video link so the Autocar tech can see exactly what Mike sees. And guess what? The Autocar tech has the answer. He emails Mike the schematic and overnights the replacement parts Mike needs. Problem solved. And if your problem isn't solved right away, the Autocar Solutions tech will stick with you until your issue is solved. Autocar Solutions service comes with your Autocar truck free. Meanwhile, after another hour of dead ends, Chris has finally decided to throw in the towel. The truck's been towed to a service center and he has to tell the operations manager they'll be short another truck for a while. Who knows when that truck will be back in service? When you use Autocar Solutions, you're talking to experts who know Autocar trucks better than anyone else. It's their job to keep that Autocar always up promise. So whether it's truck down or just a question, remember, you got a guy at the factory. Contact Autocar first.